back to my art break life. Thank you so much for joining me on my little art break and on my day 6 of my thankful vlogmas. And what I'm thankful for today on this vlogmas day is my health. I've been going through a little bit of a health snafu, and I finally figured out what's been going on with me, and I'm slowly working my way out of it. And so far, hopefully, fingers crossed, so good. And I'm just thankful that I figured it out and that I can move forward and just try to lead a more healthier and active life. As of right now, I'm just trying to be healthier, and eventually as 2022 rolls around, I want to include more activity, physical activity into my routine. So fingers crossed that things start to get better, and as far as my schedule goes, so I can add that into my routine. And that takes a lot of planning as well, with all the kids being everywhere, needing to go all these places, and of course, trying to film and do my things I want to do. So I decided, again, like I said in my last video, or the video before this one, I think, that I'm trying to plan more and get myself more organized. And of course, it's fun to get yourself organized when you have all these pens, journals to use. And I fell for the subscription box service for Archer and Olive. When I was on their website looking at their Halloween things, I saw the subscription box and I thought, well, let's give it a try. I mean, I can always cancel it if I get too much or too inundated with things, which I feel like I'm getting a little inundated with all the ordering I've been doing, but we'll see how it goes. Because I'm a kind of person that likes to have a lot of options in front of me. So I did pick up their subscription box. This is Beauty. It's called Beauty Comes from the Inside, by Archer and Olive. I believe this is their fall box, and there's also a winter box coming as well. So with that said, I'm going to open this up and show you what's inside. So this is my Beauty Comes from the Inside Archer and Olive subscription box. So here we go. We're going to open this up. Okay, cool. This is really pretty. I know they kind of showed bits and pieces of it, but of course I try to ignore that because I like to be surprised when these things come. So this looks like a pencil pouch or pen and accessory bag. I mean, goodness knows I need accessory bags for pens, because how many I got in my last blind bag unboxing. So, okay, cool. So maybe I can stick all my acrylograph pens in here and keep it safe. That might be a good use for this pouch here. So, what is this? I love this little wax seal. That's so pretty. So let's open this up. Cute little, wax seal. Says I have the power to create change. That's a little nice journal cover or journal tag here. I like this vellum envelope, it's so nice. Okay, and then what we have here is their handcrafted journal and planner. Oh wait, no, let's see. Oh, it's a little dot grid notebook. Oh, this is so cute. I didn't know they made a tiny size like this. Let me see. I always look for their larger notebooks, so I never knew they had a tiny size. Oh, this box is so pretty. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, this is so cute. Look how tiny this is. Oh, I'm not sure what I would use it for, so I'm gonna have to think about it, but this is great to keep in a purse or something to carry around with you if you want to write notes down. So there's that. And this is their weekly calendar sticky roll. What is this? Oh wow, this is cool. So these are stickers to put in your planner. So this has like grids for calendars, notes. Oh, that's cool. I wonder what else is on here. I'm gonna try to take this off here. Oh, I hope I don't ruin the sticker. Okay. Alright, let's see what they have here. Oh, that is cool. So it's like every other one is a calendar and a note sticker. And there's just a whole roll of these. Oh, that's pretty cool. To keep that, I can try and use this in my Hobonichi. Or even my journal. That's pretty cool. Okay. Okay, and what else we have in here? Oh, this is another small notebook. This is the white paper in this light blue color. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this color. Wow, this notebook color is me. I love denim color. Oh wait, no, this is the craft paper. Oh, that's so cool. Now I get to try their craft paper. And this third notebook here is, oh, it's a blackout book. Oh, in the tiny version. That is super cool. Now to figure out what I'm gonna put in these tiny books. Oh, and this gray colored cover is nice. Look at that. It's almost like a sage green, not gray. Oh, that is really cool. Okay, so I got 3 mini notebooks. Oh, I got a calligraph, brush pens, and practice lettering sets. Set of 5. Oh, okay, let's see what this looks like here. Okay, so we got, oh, pretty. Their hand lettering set guide. So you can, I guess, practice writing calligraphy. This is really cool. And look at these colors. These are so pretty. Oh, these are the box colors. So we got a peach color, a darker blue color, like a mid-tone blue, a light blue, and this sage green color. Oh wow, this is really pretty. And from what I remember, these are their water-based pens, while their acrylograph pens are their pigment or like acrylic-based pens. So this should be fun to try and test out. Okay. And then in here on the bottom, we have a sticker book. Oh, that's cool. Oh, these are pretty. Okay, so we got numbers. These are like vellum stickers, so they're very thin. Okay. Oh, these are super pretty. I like these corner ones here. Very nice. And we got weekdays of the week, a little note box. Oh, awesome. Okay, just to get me started on my journals, some stickers here. And what is this? This looks like, oh, okay. I think these are just envelopes. Okay. Adhesive, 3 adhesive pockets. So you can stick this in your journal and then put little notes and things inside. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, whoops. I like the colors too. And this one, last thing in the box here, are the Archer and Olive coloring pages. So there's 5 coloring pages here. Oh, these gems are so pretty. Look at that. And it's like a peachy gold color. We got blue and silver. Wow. Oh, look, this is a little kitty cat. Really cute. Okay, got some coloring pages here. I like this laser cut envelope. This is really nice here. This would be nice to just put in the journal, like if you cut it out. Me getting creative here. Okay, we'll just stick that back in the box. But anyway, that is the Archer and Olive subscription, the fall box subscription. I'm kind of trying to think what I'm gonna do with these. So, I may just open one of my journals and just start doing a spread out of all the items that came with the box. Oopsie. And maybe stick this in as like the inspo spread, because I kind of like these colors. I want to kind of keep with the colors here. But I'm not sure if I want to do it in this one here, or if I want to do it in the Halloween one that I just got. I got to think about this. So, we shall see what I come up with. So I started off grabbing the lettering guide because it said it was a wipeable surface, so I can just practice the lettering. So I tried that, and yeah, it does wipe off pretty nicely, but with the darker pigment I found I had to use a little bit of water to wipe off the ink from the pens, which is not a huge deal, and it comes off really clean. And then as I was practicing the writing here, I forgot that this was a two-sided pen. And so the skinnier side is much easier to write the smaller font, obviously, and it did a pretty good job. It kind of reminds me of the Hardfoot and Onosuke tip pens, which I really like, so that was a bonus. And so I decided to stop using the swatch cards and jump right into the journal. I pulled out my journal from the Halloween collection, which I really love. I love the hollow edges. I mean, the pages are all the same in whatever journal you get, but just picking up the book and looking at the wand in the front, it's just so fun. So I still wasn't sure what I wanted to do with these supplies yet, so I decided to swatch out all the different colors of the pens and supplies that came with this box. And I added a few stickers from the collection just to kind of give me an idea of the color and the kind of style that this box was going for, to hopefully give me some inspiration on what to draw. I was really stumped, and these stickers are vellum, so I had a really hard time trying to find a pen that would write over them and that wouldn't smear. So I finally settled on a permanent ink pen, the ones that the water base would not stick, so the permanent one worked fine. And I wrote down my overall opinion and results of the pens so I can remember that for the future, on how they wrote and how I thought of the pigments and stuff like that. I was still stumped at this point as to what to draw, so I decided to just write out the quote that came with the box, which is the one I was practicing earlier on the lettering guide, and it said, "I am creating the life of my dreams." And that does resonate with me a lot. And I'm not that good at writing. My writing is horrible. So I always tend to do the lettering first in pencil, because when I go straight first in pen, it never works out. And so it actually came out pretty nice. I was quite impressed just by looking at the card and copying it and drawing it out. And then it looked really plain, so I wanted to put a design behind it. And I had actually seen this pattern on a curtain. I saw it briefly on Instagram when I was scrolling through it, so I saved the picture because I thought it was a nice pattern, and I used it as a reference image to create this design. And then it seemed pretty plain, like it needed something else. And so I remembered this has dot grids, so it made it easy to make circles of different sizes. So I did that, and instead of drawing the circle with just a bold line, I just put little dots on it, so it remained kind of in the background, not so in the front, in your face, because I wanted the letters to be what was focused on in this little drawing I did. And so this is my little creation using the Archer and Olive box, the fall box, I believe it is, or it could be the winter box, I am not sure. This is what I created using the supplies that was given in the kit. And I'm really impressed at how it came out. I really like it. So I'm satisfied with this and hoping that I can fill this journal up with more inspirational quotes and just practice my handwriting and practice drawing little bits and pieces here and there. And anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, you know what to do. Just keep drawing. And this art break is done. Bye guys!